What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning into this particular video. It's a very special video to me. I am going to be showing you guys my crypto portfolio. I never really thought I would show anybody this, but I feel like for this channel to be, it's about investing on a pretty tight budget, low income. I want people to see that, if I can do it, then other people can do it too. So I'd like to be transparent and show you guys what I got going on. Hopefully it can motivate you guys to start investing, if not in crypto, in some other type of asset. I know y'all's time is valuable, so let's dive right in. Before we get into the actual numbers, I just want to do a quick summary of why I got involved in cryptocurrency. I heard about it in the background, crypto this and crypto that, but I never paid attention to it. I literally thought it was, it was fake. It was a scam, which a lot of people will say that, and that's fine. I thought that, it was digital money, like everyone was saying, and of course it's more than just digital money. If anybody does research on it, there's Ethereum that, yeah, you can use it for currency for certain things, but it's more than just currency. It's a platform for, building things such as decentralized applications, and it just so much usage. But anyways, when I heard terms like Bitcoin and Litecoin and other coins, I just thought, oh, you can pay with digital currency. That's weird. That's not gonna last. So anyways, I just wrote it off. And then I guess around 2020, towards the, I don't remember when it was, somebody started talking to me about it, a friend, and they just kept talking and talking and talking, and I was like, stop talking about it. And I'm not going to do it. But then eventually I started researching, and I started to become interested in it. So, but what I was learning about it, it was good. It was interesting. It was technology based, and I know the world, we're just everything is going technology. And so I got interested, and I saw what I believe could potentially be the future. So I decided to go ahead and put a little money in it and see what happened. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so I don't recommend you do anything I say. But I took money that I had to spare that I did not need per se, and if I lost it the next day, I was still going to be okay. But the beginning of 2021, I ended up investing about $7,500 into my portfolio, and I just kind of spread it around. Now, this was the beginning of 2021, and for example, we'll say Bitcoin, since that's the one everybody knows, Bitcoin was around $36,000. And you don't have to buy one whole Bitcoin to invest. You can put $5 in. And I put money into Bitcoin. I have Litecoin in my portfolio. I have Ethereum. I have, let me open it up here. I've got Chainlink, I've got Cardano, and I've got Decentraland. And I'll get into why I chose those in a second. But I got into crypto when Bitcoin was around 36,000. And I don't know if any of y'all know or were watching the markets, the beginning of 2020 when it just shot up like fast and high. And I was like, whoa, what is going on? Is this how it is to invest? Because this was the first thing I invested in. I didn't invest in any stocks or an IRA before I did crypto first. So I saw it and I was like, wow, this is going up so high. How long is this going to last? So I saw my money, that $7,500, literally double. It went over double. And I was like, oh my goodness. And then I thought, well, maybe I should pull the money out, because looking at the history of crypto, it's super volatile. I mean, it's up, you know, one month, and the next month it's down, you know, 70%. But I thought to myself, well, maybe I'll just wait a little longer, and then it'll get bigger, and then it'll go higher, and I'll wait one more week, and and before I knew it, I was right back down to where I started. And it took, like, I don't know, what's 2021? I guess the end of 2021, it kind of went just right back down. So I'm kind of right where I started. That's what happens when you're greedy, I guess. But that's how I got started in it. And let's just show you where I'm sitting right now. All right, here is my default portfolio. And if any of you guys know, this is Coinbase Pro. And Coinbase Pro is not the same as regular Coinbase. Regular Coinbase is bright and colorful and bubbly and has pretty pictures and pretty letters everywhere. I got talked into using Coinbase Pro because it's cheaper for like trades. When you buy and sell, it costs less. I guess because you don't have all those fancy features that a regular Coinbase has. So, I mean, here you've got, you know, your candlesticks that you can look and zoom in and zoom out. And then you have, you know, this depth chart, which honestly, I still don't know which one there was buying and who's selling. And then you have this over here that's like, this is just, everything is constantly being traded. I don't know everything about this site, okay? I just chose Coinbase Pro because it was cheaper. Anyways, let's just get over here to the portfolio. All right, here I be. Okay, right now it's sitting at 10,652.68, and as you can see, it's moving. It's constantly going up and down, up and down. Now, if we just dive right in here, okay, Ethereum. First asset I have is Ethereum. I hold the most of Ethereum. 1.7 Ethereum is in my account. I chose Ethereum because of its platform. I do follow that guy, the creator of it. His name is like Valentin. What is his name? Hold on. Ethereum creator Valken, maybe? Oh my gosh. Oh, Vitalik Buterin. Anyways, I follow him. I listen to, you know, what he talks about and his plans for the future of Ethereum. This is his project. He just sounds so invested in it. And, you know, I don't know. I was convinced. So I bought quite a bit of Ethereum. Bitcoin, I do have 0.082. Oh, and also Ethereum, there's some banks that are using it for their ledgers, from what I understand. It's apparently a better way to go. I'm just putting that out there. I don't have all the facts. Do your own research. Bitcoin, I did buy a little bit of Bitcoin here, 0.08290,145. You can see, you know, what it equates to, the balance. Whoops. And here we go, Litecoin. Okay, I picked up Litecoin because Litecoin was accepted a lot of places, like for payment. And Charlie Lee was the founder of it, the creator of it. And I really liked what he had to say when I was researching it back then. It was really inexpensive. That's why you'll see why I have 7 of them. And honestly, there's not much in the news about Litecoin. Like, Charlie Lee's not doing anything. He's not really, there's really no projects happening, and there's no news around it. So that makes me kind of iffy. That makes me want to like get rid of my Litecoin and, you know, sell it or buy some more Bitcoin or something. Now, I chose the next one, Decentraland. I chose Decentraland back in the beginning of 2021, and this is why. So Decentraland is a virtual reality world. And if anybody knows, Facebook is now changed its name to Metaverse, okay? So Facebook wants to create all these virtual worlds. Now, back in the beginning of 2021, I had no idea about that. That wasn't even a thing. Facebook didn't change their name until 2022. But the reason I invested in Decentraland was because in my mind, I'm thinking, well, I'm going to buy that coin because there's all these people in this virtual reality worlds, and you know, where are we now? We're all on our phones and we're all in another world and we're always on the computer. So in my mind, I was like, this is where we're going. We're going to virtual worlds. Everybody's going to want to be in a virtual world. I'm buying Decentraland. And so the token was literally, it was like, I don't know, 5 cents at the time. Wait, how much is it right now? $2. Okay, I'm lying. Maybe it was $1. And I was like, heck yeah, I'm buying some Decentraland. And then I did. And then in 2022, Zuckerberg was like, guys, we're going to the metaverse. And I was like, heck yeah. And so Decentraland, and there's another one called Sandbox. It's another virtual world. Both of theirs, theirs just shot up like in price. And I was like, oh, heck yeah. And so I got all excited because like my $2 went to like $5 or something. It was a cool moment. All right, next one is Chainlink. And to be honest, guys, I don't remember why I got Chainlink. I must have was researching, and whatever they were doing or talking about, that's probably why I bought it. And to be honest, I'll probably end up selling it unless there's some use cases for it going on or that are going to come up that may make it more valuable. I don't know. We'll see about that one. Cardano. Who was the founder of that? Let me do this. Cardano found Charles Hoskinson, that's his name. And I did a lot of research on him, and he was apparently, from what I understand, he's trying to build this system for something to do with Africa and other countries where they don't have like access to money easily, and people don't have bank accounts. From what I see, it's kind of like he's trying to really help people more than just, you know, trying to build this project for himself to be, you know, profitable. It seems like he really wants to help people. I could be wrong. I could be right. But there you guys have it. That is my crypto portfolio. Right now it's sitting at 10,739. When I first got in, it was 7,500. It literally shot up to almost 20,000. And my greedy self was like, oh, I'm just going to keep it a little longer and then I'll pull out my initial investment, which, you know, in hindsight, I probably should have. But that's okay. You know, you learn. If any of y'all are interested in crypto and you don't think you have enough to invest, you know, you guys can literally buy, you know, 0.000001 Bitcoin, $5. I know there's all kinds of apps out there. You can buy crypto with Coinbase app. It's super easy. I don't know if there's a Coinbase Pro app, but there's Square app, some other app. I'm sure there's all kinds of apps you can buy crypto on. But this was just mine. If you guys have any suggestions or some feedback, some comments about this portfolio, I'd love to hear them. Like I said, I've only been in this crypto game about a year. I haven't really put much more in it since the beginning of 2021. I don't really believe that. I mean, I think there's like over 6,000 cryptocurrencies out there, and I have a gut feeling that many of them are not going to be around, you know, in 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. So I don't want to just throw my money into whatever. I'm even thinking about, you know, just narrowing it down to like 3 cryptocurrencies. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all have any questions or concerns, like I said, if y'all want to give me any tips, advice, but not financial advice, go ahead and leave a comment below, and go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it, or dislike it if you didn't, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos on my investment journey. Take care, guys. I'll see you in the next video.